Waking up at the sight of the endless stretch of palm trees swinging in the wind, gorgeous golden rice terraces, magnificent mountains, and wide blue sky. Staying away from the bustle and dust of the city at Luong Nature Reserve. One of the best destinations for enjoying a little precious time among nature. Is confident to open your eyes to a new paradise of a simple and peaceful lifestyle. The distinctive and appealing fragrance of mountains and forests is a convincing answer to the question what makes Luong Nature Reserve so special that many nature lovers dream of setting foot on. Speaking of Thanh Hoa, visitors are likely to remember the images of the famous Sam Sun Beach and the historical relics. But forget that this city is well known among nature lovers for another attractive tourist attraction. Luong Nature Reserve has rarely failed to amaze tourists with its striking colors of rice terraced fields. Luong is a beautiful picture of nature in a special deep green color, which comes from not only the hills and forests, but also the lively rice terraces of the first season. Each endless piece of green color connects to the horizon, creating a green scenery full of vitality that can easily make anyone visiting Luong fall in love at first sight. From June to October, the relaxing and fresh green color of Luong Nature Reserve is magically replaced by a sparkling and brilliant color of the ripe rice. A gorgeous golden coat is spread over the hills and mountains, in which alternates the numerous ethnic houses with distinctive architecture, creating a harmonious melody between human and nature. The vivid green of life makes way for the shimmering yellow color as vibrant as the very life of the people here. Moreover, yellow also refers to the richness and prosperity that nature has awarded to this unique land. Luong Nature Reserve not only enchants tourists with its eye-catching endless stretch of rice terraced fields, but also the dreamlike beauty of the land of the fog. Paying a visit to Luong in the morning, tourists enjoy fascinating experiences of witnessing the sight of clouds and smog covered the mountain tops and valleys, giving this special land a blurry and mysterious beauty. Just standing in Luong, visitors feel as if they have taken the first step to paradise. Who could say no to this poetic and unreal natural scenery that is likely to happen once in a lifetime? In addition, if you are feeling suffocated with the dust and noise of the city life, Luong is an ideal getaway because of its freshness and clean climate. Breaking out of the city's prison cell of worries and craziness and returning to this peaceful sanctuary to find balance within yourself. Apart from admiring the enchanting beauty of rice terraced fields of Luong Nature Reserve, tourists are highly suggested to take a trekking tour through winding trails of Phu Luong to discover the local lifestyle.
High five! High five!
Depart from Ko Muong village and take a walk through 4 villages Pon, Ton Song, Chao Hung, Kit to explore the life, culture and customs of local people. Sensing the slow, simple and pleasant pace of life in Phu Luong is regarded as a valuable and memorable moment that one hardly comes across in the bustling life of the city. Furthermore, another fascinating activity that visitors should take into consideration is the Ban Hu waterfall. Dubbed as the most beautiful waterfalls of Thanh Hoa, Ban Hu waterfall is the #1 choice for those who are interested in water outdoor activities. Following the 25 kilometers route from Kanong town to Ban Hu, nature lovers are going to be impressed by the remarkable natural beauty with tempting winding trails leading through dreamlike terraced fields and typical stilt houses. However, Ban Hu waterfall is a mind-blower because of its charming natural swimming pools with emerald clear water. Aside from soaking under the cool and fresh water from the waterfall, you can go on a small adventure of yourself. After a long but interesting day of discovering Phu Luong Nature Reserve, there is nothing better than spoil yourself with a lot of delicious upland specialties. Pho Don Market Fair, often held on Thursday and Sunday, is favored by food lovers for mountainous delicacies. The most outstanding dish of Phu Luong is ko lung duck, which is renowned for its tender and delicious meat with a touch of smoked fragrant. Visitors can also learn how to cook this specialty and let their creativity free with the help of generous and hospitable local villagers.
Chắc chú mình sẽ nhá.
Chào chú hỏi cô.
Từ xa.
Em rồi. Biết nhá. Em đâu rồi?
Ủa, không sánh nhá.
Đi
Đức. Không gói chén à?
Không gói chén. Em đâu là biết nhá.
Biết là con dâu.
Besides, the word boring has never been used to explore the nightlife at Phu Luong Nature Reserve. Tourists have various activities to engage themselves into, such as joining the campfire, watching the traditional cap dance from ethnic minorities, or drinking a cup of flavorful wine and having a nice chat with the locals. Who dares to say that your journey to Phu Luong will be dull and tedious? Come to Phu Luong Nature Reserve and prove them wrong.